Who's there? A brush? I see you, dude. You're right. Hey, come here. Oh. Hey, dude, where'd you go? Whoa. Let's go check it out. Ah! He's threw a freaking shoe at me. Ah! Oh, God. Oh, God. He's kind of retarded. Ah! Ow! Threw the brush at me. Hi. This is mine right here. This is mine. Ah! No! 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 No!
You need to brush your hair.
No! You don't!